Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about a topic that is on everyone's minds: artificial intelligence and its future impacts. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly developing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. With the help of advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions in real time. This has led to the development of innovative technologies like self-driving cars, voice assistants, and intelligent robots. However, the rapid progress of AI also raises important ethical and social questions. For example, how will AI impact employment? As AI systems become better at performing tasks that were previously done by humans, there are concerns that many jobs will become automated. On the other hand, AI has the potential to create new jobs in fields such as data analysis and software development. Another important question is privacy. With AI systems collecting vast amounts of personal data, it is important to ensure that this data is protected and used ethically. Governments and companies must work together to develop regulations that ensure that AI is used responsibly. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways, such as autonomous weapons. This highlights the need for international agreements to regulate the development and use of AI. Finally, it is important to consider the impact of AI on society as a whole. Will AI create a more equal and just society, or will it exacerbate existing inequalities? As AI becomes more prevalent, it is important that we think about the values that we want to embed in these systems and the kind of future we want to create. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly developing field with the potential to greatly impact our lives. However, it is important to approach AI with caution and ensure that its development is guided by ethical and social considerations. Thank you for your time.